Hello. Yeah, today I have something for the home. Now listen. The other person becomes your comfort and your wife becomes your problem. Your wife becomes your problem while no contract was awarded to you. Your wife becomes your problem while nothing seems to be falling into place for you. Your wife becomes the problem why all the bad lucks are all coming to you like a flood. Really? You're not a smart person. The moment you stop seeing her as your teammate, that relationship, that marriage will start falling apart. You feel misunderstood or unseen. So you vent like someone who listens without judgment. Yes, they validate your feelings. They agree with you. All your complaints, they agree with all your complaints and make you feel like you're right, even when you know you're wrong. Make you feel like a good person. Suddenly, they become your comfort, and your wife becomes the reason nothing is working for you. Your wife becomes the reason no contract was awarded to you. Your wife becomes the reason all your dreams are shattered. Your wife, even your wife becomes the reason why you snore in your sleep. Everything you put on her head. Your wife becomes the reason things are not falling into the right place for you. But you keep hiding the painful truth. You keep hiding them because you know the truth. The painful truth is you are not solving anything. You are running away from the hard conversation and from the real conversation. You are avoiding the real work of healing your home with your partner and replacing that healing with temporary emotional relief. Why are you destroying your home? The worst part is that the same wife you call all the bad names, the same wife you label as being difficult, as being drama queen, as being everything, she is still waiting for you, hoping, fighting, praying, and believing for you that both of you are going to fix this together. But in your mind, you are going here and there, moving about, and keeping a replacement and keeping a side chick. That's why nothing seems to be working. Because you're destroying your home by yourself. And you come to complain. I call them side chicks. So I'm going to stop here for today. And I'll see you again.